What's poppin', J-Nation? Welcome to 3 a.m. challenge, guys. I'm with my boy Scrubs.
Yo, I was gonna be Ahmed.
Ahmed.
I was gonna be Ahmed mode, but then he said Scrubs and I made my face.
Yeah,
Okay, guys. In this video, Ahmed is gonna be here, guys, in a couple of hours, and then I have to leave, guys. So I won't be here for long.
yeah, guys. Today's topic is, and I'm also here with my boy Hammer, guys. Say hello to Hammer, guys. There he is. Today's video is gonna be, we're gonna be contacting Hammer from the Ouija board and see his backstory, guys. So far, we've received pictures that have
You didn't even bring the thing.
I did. It's right here.
Oh.
We actually received pictures of someone who drew Hammer with a gun killing his parents.
This could be cancer, you know, like. What is this guy's cancer?
Oh, we are gonna do all the summoning, okay? But only cancer comes to the house. So, guys, Hammer.
It combines into cancer. That's really good. See, this has green and red. Like green is for
Hammer is really good, guys. We're gonna contact see his backstory. Let's see it. Okay, guys, I got this special camera that we actually ordered from the dark web, Scrubs. This camera will be on the Ouija board. It's not just any camera. We are actually supposed to hear the voice from the Ouija board contacting us, guys. So I'm gonna put it. Cut the video. Okay, so we just put the camera on, guys. We are gonna be contacting Hammer. Slow it down. Show it down. Okay, Scrubs, you gotta put your hand on it. Jesus. I know I really want to drink Coke. Hammer, are you with us?
Hammer, are you present here with us?
Yes. Did you hear that?
Was that Gordo?
Yo, Hammer, was that you?
Hammer, was that you? Hammer should have done it with us.
But he...
Well,
yeah,
you
but, no, but we want to talk to him. Like,
okay, well.
he's basically, if he does that, he's talking to himself. Don't do that. I know.
When we contact the old man, it will be the.
We call him and then he comes to our
Holy
house.
shit,
and
he
Hammer
should
kills
be dead because this happened 100 years ago, guys.
him. Though he's the world's oldest killer. Yo, Hammer, do you have anything to say to us? Say to us. Like and subscribe.
Yo, I thought you were supposed to use the fucking Ouija board.
Like
Thanks for
and
reading.
subscribe or else he'll come for you.
Was that Zozo J?
Okay, this time the camera actually works, so we don't have to really contact him that much. Hammer, who will come? Hammer, who is gonna come?
Who was gonna come?
Don't do it.
What?
Who is gonna come?
Who's gonna come?
Serial killer.
Let me see it. Let me do it. Oh.
Oh,
Duh. Holy shit, guys. Oh.
Man, I know. It's old man. It's old man. I know it. I know freaking we, guys.
I was pretending that was you with me. And now you ruined it.
Guys, it's the old man. I knew it. Ham, did he kill you?
Thank God.
Wait.
Hammer's annoying.
Ham, did he kill you? Hammer just moved, guys. Guys, did you see that? We just caught that on camera. Hammer.
Hammer, do I hate you? Is Hammer a bullshit?
Don't.
Nobody knows our
You're ruining
Hammer.
it.
Holy shit, guys, nobody knows our Hammer because he's bullshit. Nobody knows.
Hammer's the lesser known.
Fucking bullshit.
Look at his eyes.
I can buy another one and burn it.
Okay, guys. This is what actual hammerhead shark looks like. But they're actually cute. Okay, guys. Where can we... Okay.
70 million likes and we'll summon a fish buffet.
Hammer, how'd you die? Are you moving a Scrubs up?
Yeah, no.
S?
Screw.
You, Hammer? Or...
Screw your mom?
Screw...
Crazy guy screwed your mom?
Screw hammer? Oh, screw... What's screwdriver? We're gonna screw a driver or what? Oh, did you screw a driver? Like,
That sounds good.
screwdriver. He was killed by a screwdriver.
So a driver, guys, was screwing his mom! Keep talking.
No, like other hammers were all
Keep
good.
talking! Jesus
Guys,
fucking Christ.
Hammer, did you die with a screwdriver? Where were you?
I know what happened, Jay. A screwdriver versus a hammer, guys. Right?
Yeah, that's just a joke, Hammer. Please don't take it seriously, Hammer.
Oh shit, what the fuck, Jay? Did you see that? The Ouija board just fell. Jay had no reaction.
Freaking way, guys! Because I'm drinking Coca-Cola.
Yeah, when you should have been.
We've seen that 100 times,
Jesus,
guys.
I don't care.
Hammer. Is the old man? How old is the old man? Gotta stretch it. No. 20. 120 years old.
Just 12.
Is he gonna come to a house?
Only 12. That's not a 0, by the way. That's a 0.
But that looks like a 0. See?
It's
0.
goodbye. Jesus Christ. Jeez, a bit dumb, guys. Why don't we use this? This is how you end the Ouija board, man.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
No, not yet.
Like that. That's how you do it.
Okay, hammer. I'm gonna put the camera and go press the button and see what Hammer's gonna say with the Ouija board. Oh man, is gonna come to your house if you don't like and subscribe.
Hammer, are you a dog?
No, don't. Please don't.
I hate Hammer so much.
Shut up.
I don't care if anyone at this point. I just hate her.
Guys, I think Hammer here.
Stupid fucking kid.
No,
Where's
like.
the drawing?
No, don't.
Let me find the fucking drawing.
Don't.
Keep talking. Where's the asshole thing?
Guys, this is Hammer, guys.
This is the bitch kid. It's the only one that's missing. The only one. Bitch ass kid. Excuse me, Hammer. Keep talking.
Guys, Hammer just said the old man's gonna come for us. Hammer, how do you know? I'm gonna put the camera. Because old man.
Bitch! You cut it! Cut the best picture!
Oh, why did it cut it?
I'm gonna kill
Why
you.
did I even cut it?
Which door? Ja, door. Maar nog keer ska göra.
Men try to band it, does he?
Bara easy, sorry.
Jack, give me my eyes.
DGO.
I think that was a Ouija board.
I think that was the old man.
What was that actually?
The old man.
Jesus.
Yo, it was on mode, guys. He got mad.
I didn't know druggies were actually strong, guys.
Why would you shut the fuck up? You were supposed to close the door.
Yeah, I forgot because I had to go pick up your stupid pillows.
Yeah, but you still could have closed it. If I were you, I would have closed it. Jesus fucking Christ. You have to go to work today.
No.
Girl.
Oh my freaking god, guys. Hammer, no freaking way, bro. What should we say next?
Why is Hammer bullshit?
No.
Nobody gets it. Nobody gets it. Look at this piece of shit.
Hammer, is that real? Hammer, no, no. Yeah, Hammer, we got rip it, guys. That's not Hammer. I know that isn't. Hammer, did you kill your parents? Ahmed, Scrubs up.
Oh shit.
Ahmed's not gonna come in the rest of the video, by the way.
Yeah, I'm leaving. Oh my god, guys, it's out nowhere. I don't think we would see that, guys. I think the papers and stuff.
Well,
What now?
Hammer,
Hammer, are you a good person?
no. Hammer, is that picture real? No, guys.
Hammer, does anybody care about you?
Oh, freaking god. Hammer.
No.
Hammer, like, does the old man still kill people? It just moved. Did you see that, Scrubsa?
Two down. Yeah, right there too.
Sometimes he moves, guys. The old man, why the old man locked you up? Because he wants Naguala? He's moving, look! The old man wants Naguala, that's why he sold Hammer.
That's so dumb.
No, he killed Hammers. Like, the old man was like... Does the old man have a phone number? Can you whisper it? Where's the camera? Where's my fucking phone?
Dude, Jay lost his phone. I have my phone and their phone. I'm gonna spray holy
Put
water.
the number on it. Guys, I just added the old man, guys. I'm gonna call him.
Is old man Grandpa, Jay?
Oh, look, wait. Guys. Hammer. Don't worry, Hammer. Hello? Jerry, what do you want? Do you want to buy something? I don't want to buy anything.
I only want to buy a good pet hammer to make a good, like, character.
Hammer. Why? Don't!
Why did you fall, Hammer?
Hammer,
Look at that fucking pea stain. Oh, hey, that's a pea stain.
Hammer.
I bet you 100.
Say that name. I'm really sorry, 120-year-old man who literally works at a store and he's gonna come to my house and try to kill me. Goodbye. Guys, look! Look at the Ouija board!
Where's Hammer? Where the fuck did he go, Jay?
I don't know if that's what's after banging around.
What? That's it?
Yeah. It's supposed to be 10 minutes.